I'm Dennis Bench. I'm the CIO at FlowCentric Technologies. As such, I'm responsible for the team that develops the Processware product. But I also have a second hat in that I'm also responsible for the partner channel. Over and above the direct sales capability of FlowCentric, we also have a very lively partner model in which we've got external companies that we onboard, and they then make use of our product to provide solutions to their customers. The partner channel is divided up into two sections. We've got what we call implementation partners, and implementation partners basically develop bespoke solutions for customers based on the Processware platform. So these are unique per customer, and they go out there, they find the customers, they engage with the customers, and then they develop the solutions from there. The second partner type that we have is what we call ISVs, or independent software vendors. And these are partners that instead of developing bespoke solutions, what they actually do is they package their intellectual property using our platform. So they go to market with a software product that also embeds our software product, thereby selling both at the same time.
Good morning, my name is Bridget Ward. I look after sales for the AdvanceNet Group. AdvanceNet is a multifaceted IT business solutions provider. We have solutions across multiple areas, including infrastructure, financial management, business intelligence, customer management, and mobility management. We operate across the African continent. Some of the solutions we're involved with do lend to a certain industry, but as a group, we don't have any real specific industries.
Well, hello everyone. I'm Gerard van der Neever, the Technical Director of Australia Technology. We are a business solutions organization that focus around the ERP systems, and we utilize FlowCentric Processware for our business process management needs.
Good afternoon, team. My name is Obake Mudia. I'm the MD of a company called Benovate, residing and domiciled in Botswana. What we do predominantly is bespoke solutions centered around finance and the IT space in general. Part of the offerings that we have spans across not just Botswana, but Southern Africa as well. We have solutions in Namibia, South Africa, and Botswana, of course.
Good morning, my name is Adrian Heinz. I'm the CEO of Elder. Elder is a company that has been built about 3 years ago. We started off with the company and it was built on FlowCentric Processware. And we developed 3 products specifically aimed at the security industry. The first one was specifically for security companies to manage their personnel. And the second one, of which we will talk the most of today, will be Overwatch, which is a product that was developed specifically for big corporates to ensure that the security companies that they employ do their job. And the third one is Egan, was a product that was developed because of the COVID pandemic that matches facial recognition with temperature screening.
Hi there, I'm Boran Mathieu, Director of Element 14 and co-owner with my partner that's here next to me.
I'm Dani Grobelaar, Industrial Engineer by trade and co-owner of Element 14.
So the Element 14 team really focuses around systems and solutions that make business work. So we try and bring technologies that's really practical for businesses to deploy. Our team has a lot of experience with process automation, integration, system-to-system integration, and we have a lot of experience around Syspro ERP, but also various other ERP solutions where we really help customers get benefit to close the gaps where the standard systems typically don't have the full solution.
My name is Ruan and I'm the founder and CEO of FlowEyes. And as a company, we specialize in custom workflow solutions. We build it and it is tailored for your specific business requirements, no matter the industry that you operate in. We pride ourselves in the level of innovation and flexibility we offer with regards to our hardware and software integration to transform companies into a truly automated business. But with flexibility comes price, and we have a state-of-the-art SaaS model that allows our customers to pay for their custom developed automated processes and integrations on a monthly basis, making our solution affordable for small, medium and large companies, making FlowEyes truly unique to the rest of the automation industry.
I am Madeleine Rabi. I'm the product manager for MindForms that forms part of the MindRP platform. MindRP is an internationally recognized software and consulting company with a rich set of mind technical products and solutions. We are focused on completely novel approaches to digital transformation in the mining industry.
Good day, my name is Martinez Erasmus. I am the CEO of the FlowCentric group of companies. FlowCentric has been around since late 1988 and we supply fire protection systems, we supply underground telemetry systems, and we supply fire infrastructure management systems to primarily the mining industry, as well as complex industrial environments. We work across the whole of the mining industry in South Africa through 7 regional offices, and then we're very active in the mining related African countries. The core of our business is the design, the installation and the support of fire infrastructure systems and telemetry systems. And in order to do that, we developed a piece of software which we call Verify. We developed this in conjunction with FlowCentric Technologies. And what it does is it makes the management of distributed infrastructures on complex sites like mines and industrial sites. It makes it possible by making the infrastructure visible, by making visible what is being done, when is it being done, how is it being done, by creating a full audit trail, by creating all the reporting, all the dashboarding, and then also providing all the business process support to those processes so that the customer can actually see what is being done, how is it being done, and what are the results.
Hi, I'm Cobus du Plessis from Time Technologies. I'm the new business development manager, and it is me and my team's responsibility to understand our clients' requirements and provide them with the best workable solution. We have been a Sage business partner since Pastel's inception in 1990. We have over 30 years of experience and carried out over 20,000 company installations. We can honestly say we have an unmatched wealth of Sage software experience. Time's broad spectrum of customers, ranging from small single-user businesses to large corporations, gives us the confidence to tackle and customize any company, regardless of their size, complexity, or uniqueness. Time Technologies has 4 branches. Our teams are based in Johannesburg, Pretoria, Durban, and New Zealand. Together, there are 80 members in the Time team, and all our consultants are all highly qualified, have achieved all technical standards and qualifications as required and set by Sage. Time Technologies provides a complete turnkey solution for your business, whether it be a new business or a migration of platforms for your business management software. We are fully certified across multiple Sage products and cater for businesses from multiple verticals of the market.
Hello, Muthubi Sibina, the Managing Director of ACC Sourcing Botswana. ACC Sourcing is a proudly Botswana-based company which provides complete business management solutions to companies in the banking, education, mining, and financial sectors.
Good day, everybody. My name is Josh Hubert. I'm representing Warp Development. Warp Development is a bespoke software company, development company, employing roughly about 100 staff members. We've got office locations based in Stellenbosch and in Pretoria. Warp came into existence in 2002, and we've been focused in the areas of bespoke development around e-commerce, order automation, and warehouse management, also with a strong element of mobile app development, obviously to support the solutions that our customers use.
Hi there, my name is Tom Munai. I am the Managing Director of Naskisoft Consulting. At Naskisoft Consulting, we build smart custom solutions. By that we mean we focus on building intelligence into the solutions that we provide you, in order for you to be able to run your processes efficiently and effectively, to make sound business decisions, and to leverage on the data that you have. We build tailor-made systems, meaning we come to hear you from your point of view, from the angle where you sit, in order to meet you. So we're not just coming with a software to dump it on you, but we listen to you and we build it from the ground all the way to the finished product that you want. Our products are normally cross platforms. They can be used on the web, they can be used on the mobile devices, and it can also be used on any desktop. And also we provide cloud-based solutions to allow you to save on the cost of investing into so much infrastructure.
Two things: flexibility and speed to market. The architecture of the Processware platform allows third-party vendors, the ISVs, to be able to integrate with our product and be able to create business processes within their products. And the flexibility of our platform and the speed with which they do the implementation means that they don't need to worry about how those processes are managed within their particular application. And this is extremely useful to them in reducing their time to market.
What it does for us in terms of providing solutions for our customers is that we're able to provide solutions that really meet their requirements. So we can align with our customers' strategy by implementing FlowCentric and delivering results fairly quickly. So for me, it's holistic. It's not about a specific feature. I guess that's the technical guys will put it together for us, and I guess the fact that they can do it quite quickly is probably one of the features. But yeah, for me, it's a holistic, and it's what it enables us to do at AdvanceNet. So it really is about providing them with solutions that meet their requirements. So it may be that their financial system is a legacy system. They're not planning on changing their system anytime soon, but they have a requirement that the ERP doesn't quite meet. We're able to fit that gap by using FlowCentric and implementing it in their organization. So it means that we can be a solution provider, adding value every step of the way. And that's important to us. We're looking to build 20-year relationships with our customers. And so if the ERP system has a hole in it, we're able to plug that hole by putting FlowCentric around it. And it might not be just in the ERP space. It may be in other transactional or operational areas of their business. Integrating into CRM systems. Maybe it's not integrated, but typically the work that we do at AdvanceNet is very much around aligned to the systems that they already have in place and saying, how can we streamline those processes and bring people into the technology and digital loop without needing an ERP or a CRM license, and that creates huge value for our customers.
So our business focuses around the ERP implementation from distribution, manufacturing, financial services. And what we've mostly found with the ERP workflows are that they're quite limited. The ERP workflows are designed in order to process documents or records from different stages and statuses in order to release specific transactions. What we have found with Processware Business Process Management is that we extend the workflow into processes. That basically means that the organization can focus around their business operational procedure rather than having records being processed from stages and statuses.
The nature of the platform, the FlowCentric platform, allows us to quickly work on solutions and deliver to clients a functional product in a very short period. I think the turnaround times are quite quick. The platform is extremely stable. However, our core flagship platform is the FlowCentric BPM solution. The reason we use that is the ease of use, the ability for other developers to quickly take up on the platform, and the support as well in terms of customer adoption is quite impressive. This is a platform that we will be using for many years to come.
The reason why FlowCentric Processware was picked to be the platform for the specific products that we developed in Elder was the flexibility of the platform, as well as the approach, the people at FlowCentric. And the attitude was a no-die attitude, which we really enjoyed. And if you look back at it, we actually built 3 products in a short space of time because of the attitude of the people, apart from the product that was exceptional.
Okay, one of our main reasons for choosing FlowCentric is the local presence, the local product, and the support we enjoy in working with the FlowCentric team.
Yeah, so I think one of the main reasons why we enjoy FlowCentric as a product is the versatility that it has. It easily fits as a user-facing front-end solution, or it can do very well around controlling business process and business rule sets, often in the background as a back-end solution. And we find the versatility in the fact that we can use it as a type of glue for a lot of different scenarios. It's a great feature for us.
When it comes to benefits, Processware has become the go-to tool for our company to automate business processes and solving integration challenges for our clients. We have chosen to partner with FlowCentric because of their open mind approach and the uniqueness they bring into the business space, allowing companies to truly change industries, and thus keeping their partners at the forefront of delivering world-class solutions.
With the expertise, knowledge, and experience built into the software, it is a complementary benefit to our larger service offerings to our clients. The feature of Processware that adds a lot of value to our clients is the routing and escalation functionality. This allows that a duly authorized person can stand in and the business process can continue without any delays, as delays in our client's environment can be costly ones.
So one of the main reasons why we chose FlowCentric Technologies and specifically Processware is the environments we work in are pretty complex. They have a lot of disparate systems in operation. These systems are seldom properly integrated, and we needed to be sure that we'd be able to integrate with anything from process management systems to standalone IoT systems to whatever other systems the customers may be deploying, and then obviously our own software as well. So the ability to integrate to other systems, to be able to do the data transfers and to be able to do that securely in a way that the customer is happy with, for me, was one of the main driving forces why this Processware specifically. They've got a great track record. They've got lots of customers where they have demonstrated this, and that gave us the comfort we needed.
We've realized that there's a need in the market for a proper business process management solution. So we have identified FlowCentric as a cutting-edge BPM solution provider. They differentiate themselves in the market by their comprehensive understanding of business requirements and the related controls essential to support good governance, standardization, and the effective implementation of policies and procedures. With their focus on business outcomes, they start every client relationship by understanding what the client is striving to achieve They can identify their needs and propose the best possible method to drive success. It's always been a pleasure to engage with the team of FlowCentric, and with their quick response and knowledge of their products and areas of expertise, we are sure to walk a long and prosperous road as partner with them.
You asked me why we deal with processware. The reason why I think it's important for us is that processware makes a difference to people and a difference to their business. And I think that's very aligned in what Oculus is also trying to achieve. Our business is about making the decision-making process easier and more effective, where processware is about making the process more effective. So I think it's a very good synergy for both companies to add extra value to the customers. The second thing that we really like about processware is the fact that it's easy for us as Oculus to plug into. So for us to get value for our customers is quite simple. Everything is already in place in processware. You know, the APIs, the connection to the databases, the tables already there for us to simply connect into and start adding value very easily.
SEC Sourcing first engaged FlowCentric Technologies to extend functionality of our existing customers' ERP systems. We realized that an ERP system does not, and likely never will, meet all the needs of an organization. With FlowCentric Processware, we have been able to offer additional processes which are tailored to the needs of each business, thereby extending functionality of existing ERPs. This has allowed our customers to streamline their business operations without the risks associated with ERP customizations.
So one of my favorite functions within Processware is the fact that it is a easy to use application. It's well thought through with a very gentle upcycle to start learning how to build processes. We have taken people who are not traditionally trained developers, but rather people who come from business backgrounds such as engineering or law, and taught them how to build processes inside of ProcessSuite.
It's just a simple, well-supported way of working. And it's that custom nature with the good support of a good team backing the product that is really beneficial to us in the partner environment.
FlowCentric gives you automation, and that's what I really love about the product. Automation is a great feature. It allows you to put together different parts of a business. You can integrate them. You can go as far as you build a small, a very straightforward business process, as well as a very complex, using the same tool, using the same ability. And that is very unique to FlowCentric. This is really something that we use as a building block in most of the solutions that we provide.
One of the interesting things about our partner ecosystem is the variety of the kinds of partners that we have. And I think this reflects effectively on the flexibility of the Processware platform. It can be used to build solutions in any of the industries. So many of our partners are subject matter experts in their own right. Many of them have got a lot of skills in ERP solutions and also in other specific vertical industries such as mining, for example. As such, we're looking for partners in any industry. We're looking for guys that want to be able to use a world-class platform to be able to fast-track the development of their particular solution to go to market. Many of these are built on, or our technology is built on the Microsoft stack. So we're typically looking for guys that have already invested in that particular area. They're looking at .NET developers and this kind of development. But once again, I'd like to emphasize that we're not verticalized at all. Partners across all the different industries will find value in using our platform. We have a very well-established base in South Africa, obviously, as well as in Australia. We have a distributor with partners in the United Kingdom as well. But we are busy actively recruiting partners in the rest of the world as well, specifically into Africa. And we feel that we're in a very good position to do this, as all the training for the product is online. And this allows people to become empowered wherever they are.
In terms of FlowCentric Technologies, the company, the technology, and I suppose the community, I have known FlowCentric, the company, for I think close on 17 years. I've always been impressed with their approach to business in terms of really building partnerships with other people. They have long-standing relationships with their partners, with their customers. They do this across the world on various continents, and I felt safe in that environment. I felt that eventually I have people that will back us up for what we need to do, and they're going to be around when we need them in the future. So for me, it's about the community, it's about how they do business, how they interact with people, and the loyalty that I've seen in the system. I identify with that, and I quite like that.
So we have identified FlowCentric as a cutting-edge BPM solution provider. They differentiate themselves in the market by their comprehensive understanding of business requirements and the related controls essential to support good governance, standardization, and the effective implementation of policies and procedures. With their focus on business outcomes, they start every client relationship by understanding what the client is striving to achieve. They can identify their needs and propose the best possible method to drive success. It's always been a pleasure to engage with the team of FlowCentric, and with their quick response and knowledge of their products and areas of expertise, we are sure to walk a long and prosperous road as partner with them.
The platform is extremely stable, and above and beyond that, the support is brilliant. We have nothing but stellar reviews for FlowCentric, particularly the technical staff.
Okay, one of our main reasons for choosing FlowCentric is the local presence, the local product, and the support we enjoy in working with the FlowCentric team. We've had a great experience there on challenges we encounter generally, as is always the case with new processes and new designs and the way technology moves. We're really happy with how FlowCentric moves with it and how we're able to engage with them in resolving any of the challenges we encounter.
FlowCentric Technologies really gives us a very good starting point. It is a company that has a lot of expertise and knowledge, in the fields where we wanted to go. And their platform was like an underlying system to whatever we wanted to do. The dynamic between FlowCentric and its partners is something that we find very, very interesting. We can always go back to them, and leverage on their knowledge, let it on the support systems, and that works for us as a startup company.
So one of the best features that I've had inside of Processware is not necessarily the technology, but the group of people at FlowCentric. Engaging on a level from CTO all the way to developers, everybody's always willing to help, they understand the market very well, and they want to see a success with their partners. This is my biggest benefit from engaging with FlowCentric.
That's something else that FlowCentric is one of the suppliers of technology that has got some of the broadest spectrum of clientele. And I banded them up the other day. I literally mixed them, obviously the mining sector, manufacturing sector, utilities, from the power sector, and then you go through to service sector, financial sector. There's basically not an industry that FlowCentric has not had a client specifically in, which makes it also very, two facts. From any prospective client, they can see that it's such a huge area of expertise that has been done in the past, and that there's achievable outcomes that there is, because all of those are still clients. And the other factor just shows that FlowCentric is adaptable to be functional in any industry.